Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel and also WhatsApp us the number that is shown in this video. So we are looking into real exam questions. So the question that we are going to cover today is the North Colonnade to Gosterwood Street. So let's look into this. Right, so you can see it's quite a lengthy route. So we're going to start from the green point to the red point. This question has come into exam many times. So you might find this question again. So you need to pay more attention towards this question because there are at least 3 routes that you can find in order to get to your point. So for example, there is the Blackwall Tunnel that you can take. So that's one of the route that you can take, which is towards this side here, or you can take the other tunnel, as well, which is the Rotherhithe tunnel. You can take that route, or you can take a route which is the Limehouse link. Now, the way I have done is I've taken the Limehouse link. If I take the Limehouse link road, then that's gonna be an issue as well here. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Rotherhithe tunnel route here. Right. So Limehouse link again, you can take this route as well, but this is going to be a bit longer route, right? And the same thing applies for your Blackwall tunnel as well. So I'll look into the Rotherhithe tunnel route. So let's get into this here. Right, so first you click on this and you can see that we can't go this way because this is one way, so we'll just move towards this side. And we'll come all the way down here and come back here. So we are trying to get out of this, and then you come out, and here we have the roundabout. So we'll take this roundabout here, and then we'll come out here. So we carry on this way. So we'll go up from here. So we're gonna go through the Rotherhithe tunnel. So this is why I'm taking this route, right? And I'll come up here. And then from here you just go this way because I'm going towards that tunnel. So carry on going that way. Keep going here, and then this is where I'm gonna get inside here. Right now, if you see here, this says the tunnel approach, and for a tunnel approach, you can always have to come down towards the tunnel approach, right? So you can't come down here. So you need to always remember whenever you are getting into a tunnel, you need to use the tunnel approach. So this is why I'm coming from here. And now I'm coming down here. So if we come here, so let's keep going down. And now I'm entering you can see that I'm entering the tunnel here because these broken lines that you have, that shows that you are inside the tunnel. Okay, so you need to remember this thing. So that's where you come down, and This is the tunnel that we have, and you carry on going down here and just keep on following these broken lines that you have here, right? Because we are inside the tunnel. So now we are approaching here the square, so from here we'll come down. All right, so keep going down here. So keep going down. So we are just coming down from here, because if we see where the point is, let's zoom out. So the point is here, so we are very close to our point, you can see that. So let's zoom back in. So we'll just carry on moving down, and you can see the red point, but we can't get inside from here, from any of these roads, because you can see that this is the borderline here. So we'll try to see where we can actually get into. So the point or the street that we're gonna get into is this street here. So you just come down here and you carry on going down here, and then you go up towards the point. So carry on going straight, and that's where our point is. So just click on the point. So you can see that it's a bit tricky, and this is why you'll find this kind of question in your exam as well. So like I said, there are at least three routes. So Blackwall Tunnel, the Limehouse Link one, and the other one that I've taken, which is the Rotherhithe Tunnel route. Even if you try to take any of the other routes, so you will find that that's going to be a bit longer route, so that will take you much longer to get to this point. And the whole point in the exam, to pass the exam, is that you need to look for the shortest route. So this is why I've taken this route, and I believe this is the most direct and the shortest route that you can take for this question. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.